Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Acheo Agnes Oti, a student from Gulu University. Today we are going to look at how to make comment on a piece of work or on a Microsoft document. Making comment can be relevant in research work, or it can be relevant in any piece of work that is created on a Microsoft Word. It can also be made on Excel. For example, if maybe you have written a letter and you need the letter to be reviewed by someone else before you make the final copy, you can send the letter to a person, the person read through the letter, and if there is any adjustment that need to be made, the person is going to comment and send back the letter to you so that you can be in position to realize where your mistake is and you correct it accordingly before you make the final copy. So in a research work particularly, comment is very important because these days there is no need for us to travel to where our supervisor is. You can just send your work to your supervisor. He or she will have to review the work from wherever she is. She may be from a distance, no matter. She can review the work, make the necessary comment, and send back the work to you so that you can really make adjustment accordingly. So for this case, for the practical bit of it, we are going to get a piece of work from this desktop here. Then we see how to make the comment or the procedure that can be made to make this. So, for example, if you really want this heading here, this name to go to the left margin of this page, what you're going to do, you're going to highlight this particular heading here. You're going to highlight it. Then you come here. You look for where there is review. Then you click onto it like that. After clicking review, there are very many options that is coming up. Of course, there is new comment, and at the comment section, you're going to click on that. After clicking on that, you can see there are changes already that has been made here. Where you want this change to be made has been highlighted, and there is also provision for a comment section here. There is a space here whereby you can make your relevant comment so that you can take back the work and this person read through the comment and make the necessary adjustment. So for this case, you can write what you really want the student to do or to make the change in. So for this case, you want this heading here to be at the left-hand margin of this page. So you're going to take this heading at the left margin of this page. So after writing this, you're not going to leave it like this, because when you leave it like this and you close the document, your comment will not be seen. It will disappear. So what you will have to do, you will have to save your work just like any work that you have done on a Microsoft Word. So you will have to save it. After saving it like this, yes, now you can close the work and you send the work back to the person. After sending the work back to the person, of course, this person is going to open this work. Is going to open the work and see your comment and read the comment. So at the very beginning of the page here, you see there is already a comment that you have to take this heading to the left margin of this page. So what you're going to do, you as a student, you're going to come here and make the necessary adjustment as per the supervisor's comment. So what you're going to do, you're going to do that. As you can see, it is already made. So after making this, you will have to look for any other pages where maybe you expect that maybe he or she might have made correction. You look through, and if there is no any other comment, now you will have done with your work. So it is better than going looking for a supervisor from a distance, instead of just making your life very easy like this. So computer has come to make our life easy, to make our work easy, to avoid time wasting, and also it is very cost effective, because for you to get transport and travel to where your supervisor is, it needs some money. So you have just sat from wherever and you have made your work possible. So for this case, let us embrace computer and we make our life easy with computer. So this is how we can really make comment in our work. Thank you. Don't forget to like, follow and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because there is a lot of more to come in the next session. Thank you so much. Thank you.